an unnamed aircraft that can remotely be controlled and fly through the sky. It's what we call drones. These striking flyers are nowadays used from casual filmmaking to extreme military surveillance. And the first thing that comes to mind after hearing the word drones is DJI. DJI has been the most influential drone company in the market from the very beginning with its sophisticated design and excellent features. The company was first founded by Wang in 2006, and their very first model, Phantom drone, took over the drone market by storm in 2013. They continued to grow over time, and at the present market, no other drone companies are as popular as DJI. However, the recent trade war between China and the US has surely made the company concerned. But would that really make any difference for DJI in the USA market? Let's find out. A recent report by the Drone Industry Insight shows that DJI holds up to 76% of the market share in the US market, which is huge. Other popular brands like Autel and Skydio are not even close to 1%. Clearly, the USA's drone market is fully dependent on DJI. Instead of that, the US Department of Commerce put Chinese drone maker DJI on its entity list, limiting how it can work with US companies last year. The news created a massive shock to the huge American fan base of DJI. Even most drones used by the US military are from DJI, which surely describes the loyalty of DJI to the consumers. Banning DJI from the USA is likely to have a huge impact on most industries. Daniel Wyndham, a geographic information system specialist, asserted after the announcement, claiming that it's the equivalent of taking Apple out of the smartphone game. DJI also stated that DJI is disappointed in the US Department of Commerce's decision. Customers in America can continue to buy and use DJI products normally. Apart from consumer drones, military drones are also available on the market despite the announcement, and the US military still uses them regularly. But what makes them so trustworthy? That is because DJI produces the most professional and reliable drones. They offer the best 4K cameras, better flying time, accurate GPS technologies, and many more. Alternatives to DJI's Mavic, Phantom, and Inspire series are yet to be found. And if DJI is completely banned immediately, the breach created would not be possible to fill up soon. Moreover, DJI's drones can track military bases around its flying area, and if it detects any such base, it wouldn't fly there. This feature makes it more popular as a military drone. Both the professional and consumer drone sector is in the palm of DJI, and pulling them off from the US market would be a huge loss to themselves. Probably that is why DJI is still freely selling its drones in the US market, whereas other blacklisted Chinese brands are totally banned from trading any products. Though the other companies have been trying hard for some time now for developing a true DJI drone competitor, they are yet to make one. So it is certain that it would not be easy to replace DJI, and surely the USA government wouldn't take such a decision that would go against their own. Even if they ban DJI from trading anymore, they need to develop a proper alternative drone containing all the DJI drone's features. That was all about the video, and no worries, as you can still buy your favorite drones from DJI. Let us know your thoughts on what can be the impact of banning DJI drones. Like and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.